I would like to welcome everybody to Step Above Detailing YouTube channel. This will be our waterless wash on our detail rig. You can see I am applying O&R with our IK multi-sprayer. Now I'm applying O&R with our clean microfiber towels, getting all the dirt and contaminants off the paint. As you can see, we are working in straight line motions, making sure not to use the same side multiple times, working from the top to the bottom of the vehicle, making sure to keep minimizing all scratches, blemishes, or any of those things getting on the paint. Here we're applying Bead Maker by PNS Detailing on the paint of the vehicle and the windows, all the areas that have already been treated with the O&R. Of course, like I said, we want to work from the top down. As you can see, I'm applying more O&R solution to the paint, and we're going to work the bottom section of the vehicle here, which is pretty dirty. I went to Wintergreen. It's a local ski resort here in Virginia. It's a lot of salt. Brine was put down on the road, so there was a whole bunch of film of salt all over the vehicle. So I made sure to take my time working from the top of the vehicle down to the bottom. Applying more bead maker. Can't have enough bead maker if you ask me. PNS did an amazing job on the bead maker. I just apply it to the paint. As you can see, I'm applying to the paint right here as I buff with a waffle weave drying towel and flipping over to a clean side and buffing away any of the residual bead maker that's left on the paint. As I stated, it was a lot of salt and grime all over the vehicle, so I started on the back area right here. Again, applying a liberal amount of the O&R solution to the paint, making sure to allow dwell time and let the product emulsify the dirt, lift it off the paint, and letting me not have to apply that much pressure to the paint, allowing for less scratching. As you can see, I'm applying more O&R to the paint, allowing it to emulsify the dirt, lift it off the paint with less likelihood of scratching. Working in straight motions, making sure to roll my towel so I'm not always using the same edge every swipe. So that makes sure we're not adding in extra scratches, making the ability of leaving less likelihood of scratching the paint. So you can see here, after applying some bead maker to the paint, you're left with a beautiful shine. The Hermosa blue of the Infinity is just amazing. Once you add that layer of bead maker on there, it just pops. Just so nice. Look at that. So now we're moving on to the wheels. Same procedure as the paint. We're going to douse the wheels down with some O&R with a multi-sprayer, using another different black I use for the wheels when I do wireless washing. You can see I'm cleaning each spoke by themselves with this nice plush microfiber towel from, I believe my towel there is from the Rag Company. Yep, that's a Rag Company towel. And as you can see, clean the wheel. Applying bead maker to the wheels, making sure to add another layer of protection on these wheels because they are ceramic coated already. So as you see, I'm going through each spoke, making sure they're nice and cleaned with the bead maker applied on there with a nice plush microfiber towel from the Rag Company. And as you can see, there's no hard scrubbing here, none at all. And same procedure for the tires. I just used the nice soft microfiber towel to wipe off the tires to dry them off, so you guys get a great look at how clean this wheel comes out after a simple quick clean. So moving on to the rear wheel, you can see here all the salt that I just pulled off of the lip of the wheel. We're just gonna keep cleaning with a new cleaner side of that towel. And here I'm going to flip over the towel to a new clean side, making sure not to induce any scratches or swirls to my nice lovely new wheels I just put on our detail rig. Now, as you can see, the wheels are nice and clean. Tires are nice and clean. After being dressed, when I first applied my dressing to the tire when I first bought them about what 2 months ago, they have still been well maintained since then. Here you can see our O&R solution right there. And there's a couple little bugs, but nothing is really in the water. You use multiple towels, you get great results, as I'm going to show you here. And this is the end of the detail. So my car, Big Heem, 2015 Infiniti Q70L. It's fully clean on the exterior with our rinseless wash. You guys take a second, stop what you're doing, like, subscribe,